I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming why you need a VPN for Capcut, access region-locked content, or protect data. Once done, install a reputable VPN app and grant only necessary permissions. Next, sign in and choose the server country that matches the Capcut region you need. This changes how Capcut sees your location. Also set the VPN protocol, WireGuard, or OpenVPN, because protocol affects speed and stability. Make sure your device's date/time and OS are updated so secure certificates validate properly. Now you connect and configure. Choose a nearby server in the target country to reduce latency and improve upload/download speeds. Once connected, enable the VPN kill switch and DNS/IP leak protection. This prevents accidental exposure if the VPN drops. Then open Capcut. Clear its cache or reinstall the app to remove old region tokens so the app re-registers under the VPN location. If you use mobile data, toggle airplane mode briefly, then re-enable to reset network routing through the VPN. Finish by checking Capcut for the region-specific interface or content you expected. Sign in if needed and test uploading or downloading. If Capcut still blocks you, switch to a different server in the same country or change protocol. Some servers are flagged. Also try clearing app data and rebooting the device to ensure settings take effect. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, disable the VPN, reboot, then reconnect using a fresh server. That often clears routing or cache conflicts and restores access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.